Okay, this is Excel Chapter 2, video number 3. We are beginning on page 82, and in this one we're going to be finding all of our totals down here. So the first thing we want to find the total of course we don't need to find the total of any dates. We want to know the total. Okay, so we want to find the total number of dependents. So click in cell C13, and just like we've been doing totals before, we're going to come up here to our auto sum button and choose sum. And it's going to put the little marching ants around these numbers. That is the correct numbers. We want to find the total number of dependents. So go ahead and press enter. All right, we're going to move on to average because we want to know the average number of dependents all of our employees have. I'm not sure why this information is helpful, but we're going to find the average number of dependents. So again, we're going to use the auto sum, but this time instead of choosing sum, we're going to choose average. Now if you'll notice, whenever it puts the little marching ants around, it wants to include the total in our average. That is not what we want to do. Once we're figuring average, the max, and the min, we don't want to include the total in that because it's going to throw our data off. So make sure that you reselect just the data from cell C4 down through C12 and press enter. Simple enough. It looks like our dependents have an average of 1.33 children, or our workers have an average of 1.33 dependents. To find the highest, we are now in cell C15. We're going to come up to the auto sum button. This time we're going to click on max. And again, it's going to include the total and the average in there. We don't want to do that, so we will reselect by clicking on the area we want, which is C4 through C12, and enter. So 3 is our largest number, and it would be easy to look up through here and find 3, but if we had 150 employees, that might be a little more difficult to look through. Now we want to find the lowest number of employees we have, or the lowest number of dependents we have, so come up here to auto sum and choose min. Now before you do, you'll notice there is more functions, and if you clicked on that, you could have several different math formulas and functions that Excel will do for you. We're just going to click min, and again re-highlight the area we wanted to find the minimum of, and press enter. Now to do that for the rest of these, it's pretty simple. We're going to select those four numbers, and we're going to use our autofill and fill that all the way across through tax. Makes it very simple. We only have to do it one time. Okay, and that was adding in our totals and our average and highest and lowest using the auto sum. So we'll go ahead and stop there, and the next video 4, will be on formatting the worksheet. Don't forget to save as you go.